The ruling party ZANU-PF activist and commentator Wenje has ignited a fresh debate inside Zimbabwe's political circles after declaring that Vice President Chiwenga is 500 miles ahead in the ongoing succession battle. Sanavina mashoko kubuda panguva inoitwa na Wenje atari mashoko achiti VP Chiwenga vari kumberi vari 500 miles ahead. Panguva ino pari kuonekwa kunzi pane masuccession battles ari kuitika in the ruling party. ZANU-PF, subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Ndivina muna mumda nyumba mchinzi. In remarks that circulated widely on social media late Friday, Wenje said Chiwenga's strategic positioning makes him untouchable in the long run and urged citizens to trust the process. In quotes, akapedza tsuru kudhara uyu, he is 500 meters ahead. Just trust the process and no one can stop the process, Wenje said, using a Shona expression suggesting the vice president long ago mastered the political chessboard. The statement comes at a time when ruling party politics is dominated by succession disputes, with the rival factions pushing different agendas ahead of ZANU-PF's 22nd National People's Conference in October. While some provincial leaders have been pushing for the controversial ED 2030 agenda, a bid to extend President Mnangagwa's rule beyond constitutional term limits, Chiwenga's allies have openly resisted, arguing the move undermines the constitution and betrays the liberation legacy. Analysts say Wenje's comments reflect growing confidence among the vice president's backers, who believe that internal maneuvering, coupled with strong support from war veterans and elements of the security establishment, gives Chiwenga a decisive edge. Wenje's call for patience, no one can stop the process, is being read as a reassurance to supporters frustrated by what they see as attempts to sideline Chiwenga. The remarks highlight the deepening split within ZANU-PF between loyalists of President Mnangagwa and those who see Chiwenga as the natural successor. Recent statements from the war veterans such as Blessed Gesa and Gifford Gomwe also reinforced the sense of brewing confrontation, with both figures condemning corruption, food for votes tactics, and constitutional manipulation for certain provincial leaders. Manicaland, in particular, has emerged as a flashpoint, with activists accusing senior officials, including PANECHAMISA, of hosting grassroots structures to endorse resolution extending Mnangagwa's rule, despite widespread resistance. Ndo mashoko aripo panguva ine zvinokwanisa zvisina kumira zvakanaka mu the ruling party ZANU-PF. Toze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndakuma section medu, so subscribe or like, chete on the bell icon.